Yes, sir, YouTube. As you can see, she got back at it with another unboxing, actually unpackaging. So, without further ado, let's jump straight in. Man, what we got for y'all today is a little bass remote. Nothing special. This is the Access Amplifier Level Control, the AALC. Man, like I said, man, it's nothing spectacular. But I'll show y'all the packaging. You know, it's the regular little piece of cardboard with the plastic slid over it. So we just, well, actually on this one look like they got the plastic glued down, which is a little better. That's how it came shipped. Amazon, obviously, with the bubble wrap, sorta. Go back to the business. Here you go. Previously, we had the Pack LC1. We've been having our Pack LC1 for about 2 years, a little over 2 years, and finally it done start where you can hear a little scratching and rubbing at certain points in the volume. Of course, we know how to clean that and get that cleaned up and everything, but we wanted to try out something a little bit different. So, this is what we got. Nothing too special, but I like how it feel in my hand a little bit better. So, for right now, this is what we got. We gonna get him installed and get him tested out, see how the volume adjusts, whether it's a smooth transition or it's not. And when we do that, we'll get back with y'all. Yes, sir, man. This your guy with the cheap bass remote. We up out of there, man.